Welcome back. In this episode, we are concentrating on adults. And the question is, how is behavior related to money management? I am still in studio with my friend and a resourceful person, Mercy. Welcome back again to the show.
Thank you, Jacob.
Part of the regrets that people have had is the issue of health complications, especially because of their age and all that. How do they tackle that issue so that then at that time it doesn't become a burden?
Well, exercise should be part of our life. Eating healthy should be part of our life. Most of our jobs require sitting for long hours. We always have those breaks of work while you are standing.
Yes.
Take a 5-minute break to walk around. Investing in your physical health is something you will thank yourself for a very long time.
Yes.
Because whatever houses you here is that body. And if you don't take care of that body, then,
Yes.
well, you'll have an issue.
Yes.
So how much water do you take in a day? Walking instead of taking a car or instead of taking a lift, walking up a flight of stairs.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
making sure your heart is working. Well, there are things that will happen to you and you would never know how they happened.
Yes.
We leave that to fate because it happened.
Yes.
But if you are cumulatively not investing into your physical health, it will meet you at some point in your life. It will
Yes.
come to you at some time and you might be happy about it.
Yes.
And it's the very simple things.
Yeah.
Stand up, walk, take a balanced diet. Good food might not taste as good as fast food, but it's just how you train your mind, or
Yes.
what your mind accepts. How much sugar do you take? How much water do you take? What do you need to cut down on? Are you taking your veggies? Are you eating too much meat? Making sure your physical health is at par with your mental health, with your career health, with any other health that you are working on.
Yes.
You will be grateful later. And even for job productivity,
Yes.
you need to be in good health. Because even during your working years, if you are constantly sick,
Yeah.
then you'll have so many sick leaves.
Lives. Yes.
And with too many sick leaves, your employer may not be a very happy person.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And even the client will not be happy because you're not delivering.
Exactly.
Yes.
So take good care of your health. We are here because we have bodies.
Yes.
So let's make sure that those bodies are in a position to carry us and to serve us. Whatever you take care of takes care of you.
Yeah.
Really. Yes.
Yeah. True. True. So as we bring that matter of retirement to a close, what are some of the mental issues that you have seen people, having at retirement, and how have you, worked with people through the journey until they came out successfully?
Okay, we have the normal stress issues and the grief journey I've been talking to you about.
Yes.
Where you simply walk them through the journey of forgiveness, as I'm telling you. You also help them accept reality because life happens and everything comes with time. You cannot turn back the hand of time.
Yes.
You can only do the best you have with wherever you are at the moment. And then we'll have the issues that come with an interception between your physical health and your mental health. Things like dementia, things like Parkinson's disease. You hear like, our grandfather just left the house and never came back because they don't have the memory capacity of knowing to
Where-
go back home.
Yeah.
Yes. They are all of a sudden forgetting their children, forgetting the names of their grandchildren, even forgetting themselves.
Yes.
And those ones have a lot to do with the physical brain coupled with the mental health. So all you can do is teach the family how to help them manage. There are those things that life gives us and old age gives us.
Yes.
We just learn to take them with gratitude, There's what you will do counseling to help an elderly person get through. There's what you will do, social connections. Among the things that I really encourage families to do is let this elderly person teach the younger people.
Yes.
Not just maybe work skills, because those ones evolve a lot.
Yes.
Let them teach them songs, let them teach them culture, let them play a board game, let them take walks. And in this person feeling useful again, you end up giving them more years to their life or more life into the years that they have. So their brains don't degenerate at a very fast rate because they have something to do. And you know, the interesting bit about our bodies is whatever you don't use, you lose. It happens to the brain too.
Yes.
The brain needs to be exercised. So when someone feels productive, they feel that they are valuable, and they keep on working their brain,
Yes.
it lasts them longer than if you just sit with your brain. It's the same as exercising your muscles. You build muscle by exercising.
Yes.
You build your brain connections by using your brain. So encouraging the elderly to use their brain.
Okay.
You know, my mother would tell me, I have retired. But she would still wake up and go to her shamba. She still wakes up at 3, even
Yes.
up to now.
Yeah.
You know, at 85. She's very, very, very strong.
Ah.
She inputs into her grandchildren. She still has the social connections. You know, when you still work your brain, then it serves you for longer.
Yes.
If you don't work it, you lose it faster. So it's a matter of balancing between, is it physically degenerated to the point that we just need to support? Or can we still help this person regain themselves? And it goes a lot to do with attitude.
Yes.
Someone who has forgiven themselves will have that attitude of, I am still as strong as I was.
Yes.
Someone who has gone through the journey and despaired, I remember I told you it's integrity versus despair.
Yes.
Someone who has despaired then needs a lot of input to help them get that life again, to be able to do these things. Because
Yes.
despair really works on your brain faster. It will actually kill you faster if you despair. You remember the man Caleb?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said, yes, there are giants there, but we believe we can still conquer the land.
I'm strong as I was 45 years ago.
Yes.
I mean, the man at almost 90 believed he was still 40,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So we have those old, I've seen enough clips of elderly women who dance better than I do, you know,
Yeah.
with so much enthusiasm, with so much gusto. And I'm thinking, these are people who are still living. And then you have a 20-year-old who emotionally are behaving 90 years. I mean,
Yes.
they're so beaten down with life. They have despaired. They are so traumatized. So it's a matter of knowing life has put you where you are.
Yes.
Do the best with where you are.
Ah,
Yes.
good. Thank you. As you speak to my great people, is retirement bad? Number 2 is, do they have a responsibility to have a happy retirement?
Yes. Your life is your own responsibility. The way we have been made, the way we have been programmed, nobody really is responsible for you. I work with people who've had childhood trauma that you'll see this was real trauma. But you can't keep on saying, my father did, my mother did. You'll have to take responsibility of your own pain and work through it. By the time you are reaching retirement, you have had enough adult years
Yes.
to learn to take responsibility. I'll go back to the Eric Erikson stages of development.
Yes.
We start with trust versus mistrust,
Yes.
where a child simply learns to trust their caregiver. That's the point of utter dependence. You entirely depend on other people to do everything for you.
Yes.
But a child at 18 months, which is 1.5 years, will start telling you no and doing the exact opposite of what you want them to do. Why?
Yes.
Because they're discovering, I am different from my mother.
Yeah.
I have a mind, I have a body, I can do what I want to do. And most parents will find it extremely hard, but I will say the more autonomous this child is becoming, the better
Yes.
for you in the future.
Thank you very much for staying on course. An interesting conversation. We are taking a break on conversation revolving around psychology at retirement. We will be back with more conversation on the same. Stay on course. But remember to like and share this video within your circle for more knowledge. Thank you.